Colleen. I'm a Community Engagement Officer for RSPB and I work within the Given Nature Home Team in Glasgow, and today we are at Visibility Scotland offices. We're out in a little community garden doing a walk for them to listen to birdsong, and then we'll be doing some activities inside to make some bird feeders.
I've heard a goldfinch up there before.
There's one that's going do. My name is Joyce, and we were in the garden across the road from the centre trying to identify different birds.
You've been making a bird feeder today as well?
Yes, that was good fun. It was easy to make and so simple, with things that you might have lying about the house, quite easy to do.
Well, I'm sure the birds will have a good time enjoying that, just because there's plenty of seeds, and hopefully they might enjoy the apple as well.
The service users have actually started picking up different calls and hearing things and tuning their ears into it, which has been amazing, and it's great that we're making something very accessible for them, which wouldn't usually be seen as accessible when you're bird watching. So it's been a really good day.